The MTC are set up to improve the delivery of products in a net zero environment, providing skills and jobs for people across the UK. Through some of the work that we've been doing on our national projects, we've been able to identify some of the benefits associated with bringing new manufacturing techniques into the construction sector. And working with local stakeholders, housing associations such as Taurus and the Combined Authority, we're putting together a plan to deliver higher quality homes, fuel efficient homes, cheaper homes, and importantly delivering skills and new job opportunities for people that are otherwise unemployed but potentially want to shift into different industries. It's hugely important for MTC and the stakeholders we're involved with to improve society. We're currently in process of writing a full business case, which we've been developing with various stakeholders. That will be presented to Treasury in April. We've been working with the Combined Authority and other partners such as the Growth Platform to look at how we support industry and how we support businesses and people in the region. The Combined Authority have been hugely important in the development of this business case. We've got some major challenges ahead associated with the pandemic, but also associated with Brexit and net zero. But really, if we can coordinate a solution across the city region to tackle these major challenges, it gives us a great opportunity to set us ahead on the global stage. So we can tackle multiple objectives at the same time with a programme like this. Because tackling the challenges of net zero can be associated with tackling the challenges of fuel poverty, improving the energy efficiency in homes, which will address the levelling up agenda in the region but also across the UK. And we can see that flowing into other projects as well.